Hello all, this is how to replace a Samsung Series 5 Ultra with bezel. Basically the bezel is that outer exterior, all the black part there. I already did most of the work. I'll show you what I did. These are the tools that I used. I taped the screen. That way the glass doesn't fall apart while I'm taking it apart. Use the heat gun for that glue. And some of my prying tools. First part you can do is grab your flathead and take this piece off of there. Like I said, this is already loose. I already did most of the work. So once you get this piece off, you have to work on the side here and pop it in here on both sides, and then it comes off easily. In here should be a small screw. Use your small screwdriver to take that out, and then you disconnect it. From there, all I do is pull it out and it comes out. The hardest part is using the heat gun around the edges here and the bottom part. Apply about 20 seconds on low heat around the edges here, and then you wedge your screwdriver in here, and then you use your pry tools. And you want to make sure you don't go too deep, because then you're going to mess up the screen. Let's say the hardest part is where you might have it broken in here. And then this piece up on top here. You got to go underneath that, or else you're going to mess that rubber piece up at the top. And which I did over here. And so I did the sides and then the top, and then I pulled it out. Once this took a while, so be patient. Take your time on the bottom, because there's more glue on here. This is what was on there. Piece of tape, a bunch of glue, so that took a while. I pulled it towards me, and then just kept pecking at it, and then eventually I was able to grab the tape and take it out. So once you take it out, you can simply plug that back in, put your screw back in. This came with tape already. On the opposite side is on there. I just need to take the plastic off and put it back on there, and that's it. So we'll see if it works. I had to take this blue piece out. That way I can connect this to where it belongs. Now I have it plugged in, and I can put it back on there. It's just glued on there, so it came out pretty easy. Now we'll test. So the preliminary test looks good. You can see it's moving up wherever I touch it. And it should be good to go. Now I just gotta wipe it down, put that bottom piece together, and we're good to go. Thanks for watching.